In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or detach a component in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive in. Figma is a fantastic tool for design collaboration, and sometimes you'll want to modify components that you've used without being tied to the original component's properties. So I'll guide you through the process of detaching such components so you can customize them as you wish. First things first, you'll want to open the Figma file that contains the component you want to detach. You should see your components laid out, and the first step is to select the component you want to work with. You might already have some components within your design assets, so simply click on the one you want to detach. Now, look over to the right panel of Figma. You should see the name of the component you've selected. Right next to that name, there is a small icon with 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for your component. Once you open that menu, look for the option that says Detach Instance. If you see it, congratulations, you're almost there. Click on Detach Instance. What this step does is separate your selected component from the original master component, allowing you to make your own changes without affecting the original design. After you have clicked Detach Instance, you'll notice that your component is no longer linked to the master component. Now you have a fully editable version of the component right at your disposal. Feel free to modify colors, shapes, or any other properties to create something entirely unique. It's a great way to personalize your designs or create variations of existing components. With your new standalone component ready, take a moment to play around with it. You can resize it, change its colors, alter text, whatever you need to fit your design vision. Figma gives you a lot of freedom here, and it can be really fun to experiment with different looks. Let's recap that process one more time. Select the component, click on the 3 dots in the panel, choose the Detach Instance option, and then get creative with your new component. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Figma is full of features just waiting to be discovered, and understanding how to manipulate components is a fundamental skill that will enhance your design workflow. Thanks for watching. I hope that you'll find joy in making beautiful custom designs in Figma. See you in the next video.